Now let's learn how to turn corners with your conductive tape and build a zigzag circuit. There are two ways to turn corners with conductive tape. The first way is to overlap multiple pieces of tape and stick them together. This method is also useful for making branches in your circuit or extending the length of your tape when a single piece is not long enough. The second way is to use the folding technique. First, fold the tape back onto itself and expose the sticky side. Then flip and turn the tape in the new direction, creating a corner. Finally, flatten the corner down and you are done. Folding the tape keeps it in one continuous piece rather than joining multiple pieces together, which creates a stronger circuit connection. Let's grab your materials and build it. You will need 3 Launchpad LEDs, 1 Launchpad battery, conductive tape, 2 binder clips, 6 clear yellow stickers, and a pair of scissors. On the template, stick conductive tape over the blue line. At each turn, use either the folding technique or overlap multiple pieces of tape to ensure a strong connection around the corner. Stick conductive tape over the red line. Use either the folding technique or overlap multiple pieces of tape to ensure a strong connection. Place the 3 Launchpad LEDs over the matching footprints. Make sure the positive and negative pads of each LED match the footprint. Tape each Launchpad LED in place using clear yellow stickers. Place the Launchpad battery over the matching battery footprint and clip the battery into place. With the LEDs on, flip to the next page and complete the scene with your own drawing. The puddles are glowing. What are they? Share your creation with us using #Chibitronics on social media. Want to see even more magic happen? Scan the QR code and follow along. We can't wait to see what you make.